Affiliate marketing can become a powerful business opportunity. Treated like a real business, affiliates create lasting wealth generation ventures given they stick to their strategy. In this video, we go over a basic blueprint to reaching profits from affiliate marketing so you can feel justified in the hard work you put into the project. Know this. First, remove thoughts about affiliate marketing as a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, see it as a real business opportunity with real customers. This mindset shift puts you on a path to creating true value business assets. You're building an asset versus a passable site trying to funnel a few sales. Week 1. Week 1 involves the tedious exercise of finding and verifying your niche. Begin the niche search with your interests, hobbies, or expertise. Use research to discover ideas through keyword research or market observation. And scope the competition to see what they offer their community. With the niche in mind, join one of these platforms: Amazon, eBay, or Walmart. Then join either Commission Junction or Share a Sale. Then join either Peerfly, Max Bounty, or ClickBooth. This action gives you a broad selection of products, services, and reputable brands. You will search these platforms for top performers and niche verification. After you've landed the idea, run a small paid campaign to promote it. The idea has potential if you make a sale or get an opt-in. If not, start over until you do. Week 2. Your second week should involve getting an overview of your niche topic. Use a keyword research tool to find core topics. These are the high-level, high-traffic topics that define your niche. The high-level topics become your big guides, roundups, and/or resources. Return to the keyword tool and find supporting topics for the high-level ones. The supporting posts expand your use of long-tail keywords for traffic. Supporting pieces also direct visitors to high-level topics like a sales funnel. Create a wireframe for the site with the topics in mind. Design the site placing the topics front and center. Work out the kinks and set it live. Week 3. Week 3 ramps up content creation, link building, and outreach. You have options with content creation. Consider handcrafting the known big topics, outsourcing supporting and outreach pieces, and hiring an in-house writer for the ongoing publication. Create a dozen big pieces and double the amount for supporting content. Aim for consistency so new content goes out every week versus long gaps. At the same time, begin creating connections with fellow bloggers. Touch base with influencers in your industry. Make connections with those willing to help promote the site and brand. Week 4. Given you verified the niche and offers, built a great site and formed a strategy, and crafted quality content and made connections, you should begin seeing traffic come through organic search and social. Don't let up. Now is the time to double down on growth efforts. Continue publishing content featuring affiliate offers. Get people sharing your work, and consider using paid advertising to boost your reach. A month-long dedication to building something great will make money from affiliate marketing. The first sale may be a few dollars, but it's proof to the concept. From there, it's a matter of repeating what's effective. The difference in what you're doing is in the mindset. You're committed to building a business, and with it comes the work ethic and enthusiasm. There's still so much more to explore. Keep learning. There's always a new and exciting challenge that awaits. Visit our site today for lots more info about affiliate marketing and online businesses. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.